Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to block someone on Threads. To start the process, open your Threads application in your mobile device. You can also block someone from your home page. Tap on Menu next to their username. Here, tap on Block. If you select the first option, the user and other accounts they may have or create will be blocked. If you select the second option, they will only be blocked for the account you are currently blocking them on. To show you, I'm selecting the second option. Then tap on Block. Now go to your profile. Here, tap on Menu. After that, tap on Privacy. Here, tap on Blocked. As you can see, the user I blocked has appeared on the block list. You can unblock them anytime by tapping on Unblock. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.